How to add an editor to a Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. This is the menu page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Then, go to Page Setup. Now, tap on Page Access. Here, tap on Add New beside people with task access. Then, tap on Next below. Now you can search for and select people who should have task access to this page. After selecting, choose the tasks that this person can manage from here. For example, messages and calls. Then, tap on Give Access below to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily add an editor to a Facebook page.